Welcome to Curious Baby TV.
I'm a little eraser, short and sweet. I rub away mistakes nice and neat. When the pencil slips, I'm on the case. Sip, 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 I clean the place. I'm a little pencil, sharp and bright. I write stories morning to night. When my tip goes dull, I take a ride. Twist, 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 sharpener by my side. I'm a little notebook lined and new. I hold your doodles, notes and glue. Flip my pages gently through the day. Write, 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 then tuck me away. I'm a little crayon, colorful and fun. I make bright pictures for everyone. When you pick a shade and start to draw, scratch, scratch, swoosh, I cheer with awe. I'm a little marker, bold and quick. I draw big lines, nice and thick. Pop off my cap when it's time to play. Swipe, 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 color your day. I'm a little glue stick, sticky and clear. I help papers and crafts stay near. Twist me up when it's time to press. Stick, 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 I fix the mess. I'm a little backpack zipped up tight. I carry your things from morn till night. Books and snacks and pencils too. Zip, 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 I go with you. I'm a little scissor, small and bright. I snip paper left and right. Hold me gently, use my blades. Snip, 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 look what you